Congratulations, you have been approved. You're now a seller on Takealot. So after 2 days upon approval, Takealot is going to send to you an email for you to verify your email address and create a password that you'll be using going forward. So you will click on verify my email, and then it will take you to this site here where you're going to put your password. And then after putting in your password, you're going to fill in all the other information regarding your store. To put in the legal name. If you have a company, this is what it means. If you do not have a company, you're going to use your name. If you're VAT registered, you say. If it is a registered company, sole proprietor, you just fill in and all that. Then you're going to fill in the addresses, the business address, and then the bank account and the users. The users, these are the people who are going to help you in managing your account. If you're just by yourself, then you don't have to create users. You can always come back and edit these details and you're good to go. So this is the first step to getting started with the onboarding process. After you've completed this, you're going to go through, it can take you up to 2 weeks, onboarding videos. Basically, it's a training showing you how to do everything according to Takealot, or how to follow all the terms of Takealot. So this is the onboarding, and this is where it all starts. This is the overview of the onboarding training, just an explanation of what you're going to expect and the seller's knowledge. This is everything that you need to know about Takealot. So you're going to go through each and every lesson. It is very important, especially if this is your first account, or if this is your only account, to go through each and every step, as it will help you in your journey. At the end of each and every lesson, at the end of each and every tutorial or explanation, there is questions that you need to answer, and you must get all the questions right for you to proceed to the next lesson or to the next. Then there is module 3, module 4, and module 5. Then you can start selling. For module 3, I'm just going to go to the questions for the knowledge check. So select the correct answer to the below. Which guide can you consult to ensure your catalog is optimized? You consult the product information rules and requirements. Indicate if the answer to the question is true or false. A product display page is where a product for sale is displayed for the customers to view. Takealot.com. That is very, very true. And then the questions are actually very easy as long as you have gone through the lessons. So it should not worry you, but I highly recommend you to go through each and every lesson, as it will guide you on your journey going forward. Let's check out module 4 and the questions. Select correct answers to the following questions. When setting up logistics on company, which of the following sellers must take into account? Sellers must ship both of the regional distribution centers. This is very important because many people think that you just send to one center. It's not okay. Send to both centers. Sellers must book all deliveries and collections at least 24 hours in advance. Indicate if the answer to the questions is true or false. One of the benefits of selling on in-stock fulfillment is that your product will likely to enjoy high sales conversion, since customers are more likely to buy the product sold on Takealot than lead time. That is very, 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 very true. Very, very true. Customers are likely to buy from products that are already available on Takealot. So yes, that is very, very true. Finally, let us check module 5. So, select the correct answer to the questions below. When preparing products for the warehouse environment, which of the following factors do sellers need to consider? Anti-dust packaging, and product placement and warning labels. Here's very, very important. Indicate if the answers to the question is true or false. The difference between a shipping note and a shipping label is that shipping note indicates the shipment units and the total number of boxes, while shipping labels are smaller labels that link individual shipping boxes to the large shipment. Very, very true, and you will just see how true that is when you start preparing your products to send them to Takealot, when you start preparing your shipment, and after that you are done with your onboarding and you are ready to start selling. You're ready to start selling your products on Takealot. This is how Takealot's the back end look like, and you're going to be using all this in your journey. And yeah, that's it. You can now start creating offers and sending your shipment. In the next video, we are going to look at how to create offers and to submit them, and how to make sure that your offers, especially new offers, are approved and they meet Takealot standards.